Hi, this is Mio Toribe. I would like to announce my new challenge. It is to make tutorial videos from start to finish without skipping or speeding, and explain everything for the viewers to understand my painting process and technique. I also like to respond your voices and communicate as much as possible. I couldn't spend time to do all this, even though I was thinking about it for a long time. But some YouTube viewers suggested me to release the in-depth videos at Patreon program. Patreon is where people receive various benefits by supporting the creators. I knew about the program for many years, but I didn't want to commit myself, and also I didn't know what to offer for the supporters. But now I feel ready and confident to provide something people can enjoy and also can benefit from. Here are some benefits for the supporters. To begin with, you will receive a small gift from me in the mail when you become a supporter. Tier number 1 is $5 subscription. Supporters can view simple painting tutorials. A new video will be released every month. It is great for beginner watercolor painters. Tier number 2 is $10 subscription. Supporters can view medium-sized painting tutorials. A new video will be released every month. It is great for beginner to intermediate. Tier number 2 can also have access to the benefit from tier number 1. Tier number 3 is $25 subscription. Supporters receive an 8x10 high-quality declay print of my watercolor painting image every month. They can also have access to the benefits from tier number 1 and number 2. You can check out tier number 4 and tier number 5 at my Patreon page. The link is listed at the description below. My first goal is to have 500 subscribers. When I reach the goal, I would like to provide live lessons for the supporters. Thank you for listening and supporting at my YouTube channel, and I hope you can be a supporter for the Patreon program as well. Thank you again for all your support. Have fun painting!